To trade LTC USDT perpetual future with isolated margin at 30 times leverage on OKX, you must configure your trading parameters in the order panel before placing your execution order. Step-by-step execution guide. Step 1. Navigate to the future dashboard. Log into your account on the OKX officials or mobile app. Head to the main menu and select Trade Future. In the top left asset selector, search for and click on the LTC USDT perpetual trading pair. Step 2. Fund your trading wallet. Locate on the transfer icon inside the order panel on the right side of your interface. Ship your required USDT funds out of your funding trading wallet directly to your future wallet balance. Step 3. Change margin to isolated mode. Find margin toggle switch situation on the top of the trading order configuration panel. Click it and select isolated margin. This ensures that your risk exposure is strictly locked to the collateral asset to this specific LTC position alone. Step 4. Configure leverage to 30 times. Click on the leverage multiplier box, default to the number like 3 times or 10 times adjacent to your margin mode. Use up the top up slider or explicitly type 30 times in the manual input box. Click confirm to lock in the 30 times multiplier configurations. Number 5. Set order and risk control. Pick your preferred execution method by choosing either a market order for immediate fill or a limit order to execute on a specific target price. Enter the quantity or the total position size of LTC contract used to buy or sell. Crucial step. Check that TP or S or take profit or stop loss box because 30-time leverage offer a razor-thin price fluctuation safety threshold before triggering a liquidation event. Presetting a tight stop loss is highly recommended. Step 6. Open the trade. Review the required capital margin and estimated liquidation price at the bottom of the panel. Click buy long if you anticipate the LTC price rising, or click sell short if you're expected to slide downward. Crucial 30 times leverage risk warning. Operating at 30 times leverage imply that your position is extremely sensitive to minor market movements. A price movement of only negative 3.3% against your chosen direction will